Step into the Ford 2019 F-150. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are two-tone paint included, bumpers are painted unless the chrome package, 86B, is selected to retain the chrome appearance, 3.15 axle ratio, twin-panel moonroof, transmission, electronic 10-speed automatic included, selectable drive modes, normal tow haul snow Eco Select Sport, engine, 5.0 LV8 included, auto start-stop technology and flex fuel capability gross vehicle weight, 6,800 pounds payload package 3.15 axle ratio, extended range 36-gallon fuel tank, front license plate bracket included, standard in states requiring 2 license plates optional to all others, rear-wheel drive and power steering. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle